Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. Now I have this awesome sign that I did a while back with the barn and the vintage truck. And now I just want to take that hay off of the back of the trailer of the tractor and change it for the fall season coming up. So I'm going to put some pumpkins in there. I'm just fuzzing this transfer. It's just taking some of the stickiness off. And of course, you know, with the paste, it dries hard and it'll stay on there until you take water to take it off, which is what I just did. And now I'm putting papaya on there for the pumpkins. That's just the color I had, and I'm using it for this. So you apply it, take off the excess, put it back in the jar. Now this is a layer transfer, so I am just dabbing some Minwax on there, the natural, and lightly buffing it. The other precaution I'm using is I'm fuzzing the second transfer. Just try and take some of that stickiness off of the transfer so I don't pull the first chalking off with the transfer when I pull it up. Everything on the second layer is with a lighter touch. You still want to get the bubbles out, but you're not pushing down with too much pressure. With your finger for the air bubbles and also with a squeegee when you're applying the paste. So same thing, put it on, take off the excess, smooth out the lines, and then slowly pull it up. Now look at that. See, all the precaution, a little bit extra time was worth it. I am absolutely loving all these vintage tractor trucks, and now we have a vintage bug. So if you're liking it as much as I do, just go check out my website, chacouture.com/Cherie Criswell. I'm also starting a VIP group, which is Sherry's Lynn's exclusive VIP group. I'll put the link below. In that, you can join for customers and for anybody who wants to know more about Couture. I have some videos in there that are teaching about Couture and how to use it. I also have some videos that I'm going to put in there about techniques. So it's just a great place to get together and share our crafts with one another.